Hello, it's Darren from Investor Income. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for visiting. We're talking about the system I use to trade Forex. And I do trade multiple assets, but I trade Forex on more or less all currency pairs. I actually get too many opportunities in the minute, which is something I've discussed in the training course that I've just updated. It's a full course that you can just learn how to trade, basically, from bottom up. You do need a little bit of knowledge, obviously, of how to place your trades correctly, stop losses, things like that. But more or less the stop losses will take care of themselves once you learn the system. But you do need to know the basics of how to place trades, etc. The course will take you through all my indicators and how to exactly profit from those entries. And you can see down the bottom, this is basically the system. This is not the complete system, but it is part of the advanced settings we have. So you'll learn how I trade originally, and then the course is updated and upgraded, and you'll learn these entries once you have done the first bit of the course. So it tells you when to get into the market and when to get out. Simple as that. You can see we've got lots of different oscillators down here, and it may look confusing, but we can take these off, and we can also just trade with one line, believe it or not, as well. So it is possible. You just need to be used to the market to trade that way, depending on how much experience you do have. This course can be taken by anyone virtually, but if you do have some trading experience, then it can be simplified even further if you wish to do so. The lines here we go through in detail, and once you take them off and trade them individually, you'll be able to see exactly how they work. But you can just see, for example, the green line goes from oversold, which is below these black lines here, which is levels we have in. So it goes from oversold to overbought, okay? And you can see the move there, and it comes back down the other side. A lot of pips to be had, trust me, in that. You may not want to take all of that. I take a lot of smaller moves, but I put the odds in my favor of those moves happening. So you can see you can end up in oversold conditions for some period, but you can enter multiple trades and make an awful lot of money. You do get conditions that go very oversold or overbought for a period of time, and we go through that and how to manage the risk around that as well. If this is all a bit sort of overwhelming for you, if you're just looking for a beginner's Forex course, the system is explained top to bottom. Okay, so don't be sort of scared of using this course. It's very self-explanatory once you get into it. But you do need to know the basics of entering trades. And we also got three of these different oscillators with all custom settings which we use. And you will see that they give you some very, very strong entries like this. So green, orange, red, and this one's overbought. Clear entry, and if you were to take that down, you're going to be going on a nice holiday soon with that money. Things aren't guaranteed. There are no guarantees, and you will lose trades. It is just a fact of life. But we win far, far more. I've just had 2 straight days of just all winning trades. You will make losing trades. You will get things wrong. I still make mistakes. I enter trades. I get too confident, or I take a trade that looks absolutely fine and it just doesn't work out. Absolutely no problem with that. Okay, we do re-enter trades as well, so we often enter a trade, it might not work out, and we re-enter again. We enter the same position size though, so we're not martingale or any of that rubbish. That doesn't work. Okay, we just re-enter trades at the same position size, and we close out our first position if we're not happy with it for a break even or a small loss. We make a nice bit of money on our second entry. All that is explained in the course, the reasons why you do that and when to do that. Okay. So you can see here on the pound dollar, for example, the trades have entered. And yeah, so I didn't take this full move here. This was a nice move. I just took it down, took some money out here, but it went all the way down. I re-entered this little one, which is a trade I normally wouldn't have taken, but we've recently updated the system and we're just getting more. This is a scalp. Okay, we're just taking 15 pips or so on this one, I think. And then re-entering on this counter move back up again. And then this one again. Didn't move as much as I'd like to. I was hoping to break these highs here. It went flat and I just took some profit out. But lovely, lovely profit for Friday. And this was a fantastic move as well. Clearly shown on our oscillators when to enter on these. It just cleans up. This system cleans up. It's as simple as that. So Euro, Japanese yen. These are my entries that I took here. very obvious. We're very oversold. We've got a massive gap to our baseline, which is this blue line that we use. And we re-enter trades as we did on the other pairs, and it's just been awesome. There's a reason why this happens, okay? There's a reason why these trades work out. They don't work out all the time, every time, as I've explained, but there's a reason why. There's a reason why we re-enter these trades. It's a logical system, okay? It makes sense once you understand how to trade it, okay? You don't have to be super experienced in Forex to understand the reasons why these trades work out. But I've had the experience in the markets over 14 years of trading, almost 15 now actually, and 10 of those, as I've explained in my videos previously, are painful years. Okay, I learned the hard way, the very hard way. You're getting a shortcut straight to that. Okay, so this is my system that I've come up with after all that time and experience in the market, and I've traded thousands and thousands of hours. That's true. That's just believe me or not, it doesn't really matter. That is what I've done. I've studied the charts for thousands of hours, and when we are trading, bear in mind when we're trading Forex and any trading we do, we're up against the best minds, the best computers in the market. So to think you can just do a trend trading system or whatever you are planning on doing with a moving average without any idea of when you're gonna get cleaned out. They take your stops out. These moves happen for a reason. These moves here, they're taking stops out with these moves. Okay, it's not a coincidence we get these big spikes. You know, it's not just bad luck when you get taken out. They know where your stops are, and they're taking you out along with everyone else when they're doing these moves. So just be aware that levels, when you're trading levels, to be aware of them, because if you're setting your stop losses at these positions that are very clear and obvious, they know. They can see where your money is. It's just that obvious. They know people trade levels. They know people trend trade. We trade all our settings. Everything we do, Invest Your Income, is completely different. That's my settings. It's what I've discovered works. Okay, we trade every single one of our settings I've not found anywhere else on the internet. They may exist out there. I'm not saying they don't exist, but I've not seen it. And I've come up with this myself. So I can't see anyone else trading this system, which is exactly the way I like it. I do not want anyone else trading this system who's not part of the group, because at the end of the day, this is a winning formula. It's as simple as that. And it's a very affordable system. It's ridiculous, but I just want a good group of traders, because after a long time trading in the markets, you get to realize that it's good to have a group around you, and we're going to have some great times in this group. And I'm going to plan a meetup, actually. I've just decided today. So we're going to have a meetup when this nonsense is over. We will be meeting up. I don't know where, because we've got a lot of US traders. So I fancy a trip to the States. So I think we're going to be going over to the States and doing something over there. But hopefully a few of us can all get together. But we're building a group, and we're going to have some good times. So if you're interested in joining, just email me at investyourincome@gmail.com. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I have got a bit of a hectic schedule, but I'll do my best to get back to you. Just hold tight, and I'll reply to your email. It's very affordable, stupid affordable, but it's more to me about getting the group of people together and all trading the same system. You will love this system once you learn it. Okay, you just need the patience, and you have to learn the strategy. Okay, and how it works and why it works. And it's all explained in the videos, but you'll need to spend time on the charts. You can't just go steaming straight in and be a winner overnight and millionaire. Okay, it's all there for you. You have to learn it, understand it. Okay, but I'm always there. You can PM me in the group. You can post in the group. You can do anything. Okay, the support is all there for you. It's all there in other videos and other questions that people have asked already as well. Okay, so I hope you do join us. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you very soon.